Gururam, Namaste. Good morning, children. How are you? You are so fine. Today, my class is for first class. For the first class students. Already, for the first class students, part 1 of English course book part 1 is completed. Now part 2 is going to say. Okay, part 2 already part 1 is completed. Just you must to see the previous videos for the previous lesson. Okay, today's class is about blend. All of you open your first class English volume 1 course book. All of you must open. మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఇంగ్లీష్ కోర్స్ బుక్. ఓకే, వాల్యూమ్ 1 ఓపెన్ at the page number 8. Open your books at the page number 8. Course book volume 1. Okay, all of you open at the page number 8. Blends. Today's chapter is blends. Blends. Blends means already you learn in your UKG class what is a vowel and what is a consonant. Learn now. What is a vowel? What is a consonant? What are vowels? Vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Remaining letters are called as consonants. Here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here, how many letters are there? 26 letters. How many letters in English? 26 alphabet is there. In it, A, E, I, O and U are called as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels. These are vowels. Remaining letters are called as consonants. Here, B is a consonant. C is a consonant. D is a consonant. F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. What are these? Consonants. These are remaining A, E, I, O, U are called as consonants. అంటే A, E, I, O, U కాకుండా మిగతా లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, అవి కాన్సోనెంట్స్. A, E, I, O, U అని తీసేస్తాం. We removed these 5 letters are removed. Remaining letters are called as consonants. Okay, consonants. What are consonants? Remaining A, E, I, O, U are called as consonants. Okay, now blends. Blends means the joining of two or more consonants is called a blend. The joining of two consonant letters or three consonant letters are called as blends. Understand? Consonants. These are consonants, no? The joining of two or more consonant letters will give one sound. Here C is one of the consonants. R also one of the consonant. The joining of two consonant letters is a blend. It is a blend. Okay, it is a blend. Here CROW, crow, is one of the word. Okay, CROW is one of the word. Here blend is there. What blend is there? CR blend is there. Craw. Okay. Blend means the joining of two or more consonant letters will give one of the different sound. It is a blend. Here different blends are given here. BL. B is one consonant. L is another consonant. The joining of two consonant letters is a blend. If the blend will come before the word is the initial blend. Before the word black, BLACK, black. BLACK, black. Where is the blend? Before the word or after the word? The blend comes before. BL. Come before. Mundundi. BL ane sound blend is before. Mundundi. Word first undi. It is the word started with the blend. The word started with the blend. BL blend. The word started with the blend is the initial blend. It is the initial blend. Okay. Here black, blue, blue. Where is the blend? Before. It is at the beginning. The blend is at the beginning. So it is also the initial blend. Initial blend. If the blend is at the beginning, it is the initial blend. Initial letters. Initial sounded words you learn in your LKG class and UKG class. P for peacock. A for apple. B for ball. A is the initial letter. A for apple. B for ball. A is the initial letter. B is the initial letter. Means the letter is at the beginning. The word started with the A. The word started with the B. This is the initial letter. Okay. Here black started with BL. This blend. The blend started at the beginning. Mundu started. Mundundi. Blend mundundi. Dani initial blend anali. Blend mundunte dani initial blend. It is called a initial blend. What is that? Initial blend. Crow. Where is the blend? It is at the beginning. It is also CR is a blend. Okay, CR is the blend. It is at the beginning. So It is also initial blend. It is also initial blend. Grow. Grow. Where is the blend? It is also at the beginning. So it is also initial blend. Some of the initial blends are given in your textbook. All of you open your textbook at the page number 8. You must pronounce after me. నేను అంటాను, మీరు నా వెనకాల నా తర్వాత అనండి, నాతో పాటు అనండి. ఓకే? BL is a blend. BL, BLACK, black. BLACK, black. BLAST, blast. BLAST, blast. BLOCK, block. BLOCK, block. Okay? Black, blast, block are the BL blend. Next, CL. CLASS, class. CLASS, class. CL blends. These are the CL blends. What are? CLASS, class. CLICK, click. CLICK, click. CLOCK, clock. CLOCK, clock. These are the CL blended words. Next, FL. FL blended words. FLAG, FLAG, flag. FLAG, flag. FLOW, flow. FLOW, flow. FLUTE, flute. FLUTE, flute. Next, GL blended words. GLIDE, glide. GLIDE, glide. GLOBE, globe. GLOBE, globe. GLOW, globe. GLOW, globe. Next, PL blended words. PLATE, plate. PLATE, plate. PLAY, play. PLAY, play. PLEASE, please. PLEASE, ప్లీజ్. నేను అంటున్నాను చూడండి, నాతో పాటు మీరు ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు మీకు ఆ స్పెల్లింగ్ వస్తుంది, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఓకే? నాతో పాటు మీరు అనండి. PLEASE, ప్లీజ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద PL blended words. Next, SL. SLATE, slate. SLATE, slate. SLIP, slip. SLIP, slip. SLOW, slow. SLOW, slow. These are the SL blended words. Next, take next page number 9. Next, BRAIN, brain. BRAIN, brain. BRIDE, bride. BRIDE, bride. BROWN, brown. BROWN, brown. BROWN, brown. These are the BR blended words. These are the BR blended words. Next, CR blended words. CRANE, crane. CRANE, crane. CROW, crow. CROW, crow. CRY, cry. CRY, cry. CRY, cry. These are the CR blended words. Next, DR. DRAW, draw. DRAW, draw. DROP, drop. DROP, drop. DRUM, drum. DRUM, drum. These are the DR blended words. F4. FREE, free. FREE, free. FRIEND, friend. FRIEND, friend. FRUIT, fruit. FRUIT, fruit. These are the FR blended words. Next, GR. GREAT, great. GREAT, great. GREN, green. GREN, green. GROW, grow. GROW, grow. Next, PR sounded words. PR. PRAWN, prawn. PRAWN, prawn. PRAY, pray. PRAY, pray. PROUD, proud. PROUD, proud. PROUD, proud. Next, TR blended words. TRACK, track. TRACK, track. TRAIN, train. TRAIN, train. TRIM, trim. TRIM, trim. Next, page number 10. SCAN, scan. SCAN, scan. SCOOP, scoop. SCOOP, scoop. SCOPE, scope. SCOOP, scoop. SCOPE, scope. SCOPE, scope. Next, SK. SKATE, skate. SKATE, skate. SKIN, skin. SKIN, skin. SKIP, skip. SKIP, skip. SM sounded words. SMALL, small. SMALL, small. SMELL, smell. SMELL, smell. SMILE, smile. SMILE, smile. SN sounded words. SNACK, snack. SNACK, snack. SNAIL, snail. SNAIL, snail. SNOW, snow. SNOW, snow. SP sounded words. SPELL, spell. SPELL, spell. SPILL, spill. SPELL, spell. SPILL, spill. Spill, spell. SPILL, spill. SPON, spoon. SPON, spoon. ST. STAR, star. STAR, STEP star, STEP step, STEP step, STOP stop, STOP stop, SWAN swan, SWAN swan, SWEET sweet, SWEET sweet, SWIM swim, SWIM swim. These are the SW blended words. Next, SCR, SCRAP scrap, SCRAP scrap, SCREN screen, SCREN screen, SCREW screw, SCREW screw. Next, SPL sounded words. SPL, SPLASH splash, SPLASH splash, SPLEN spleen, SPLEN spleen, SPLIT split, SPLIT split. SPR sounded words. SPRAY spray, SPRAY spray, SPREAD spread, SPREAD spread, SPRING spring, SPRING spring. Next, SQU sounded words. SQUARE square, SQUARE square, SQUARE square, SQUID squid, SQUID squid, SQUIRREL squirrel, SQUIRREL squirrel, SQUIRREL squirrel. Next, STRs. STRAW straw, STRAW straw, STREET street, STREET street, STRICT strict, STRICT strict. These are the initial blended words. In my tomorrow's class, I will say about tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you. Bye. చాలా కష్టంగా వచ్చిందండి.